Hey everyone, welcome to Learner Stop. This is Samiksha, and today I'm going to discuss with you about some of the basic terms of economics. So, you must have heard about all the terms like GDP, NDP, GNP, and NNP. So, let's have a look at each of these one by one. First is GDP. So, it is the total value of all goods and services produced within the boundary of the nation in 1 year period. Here, gross means total, domestic means all economic activities done within nation, and product is defined defined as the goods and services together. So, gross domestic product. Okay. It is used by International Monetary Fund and World Bank in comparative analysis of its members. And GDP of India is approximately $3 trillion. So right now it is the fifth largest economy in the world after USA, China, Japan, and Germany. Now there is India's calendar. So it is basically the term you can say from starting of which to ending of which the GDP is calculated. So it starts from 1st April and it ends on 31st March. Okay, now comes NDP. So basically it is the GDP calculated after adjusting the weight of the value of depreciation. Now depreciation here is the wear and tear. So it is basically net form of GDP. So NDP, that is net domestic product, can be written in mathematical terms as NDP equals to GDP minus depreciation. And NDP of an economy has to be always lower than its GDP for the same year. Okay, because there is always some depreciation. Depreciation can never be zero or negative. There has to be some wear and tear each year. So this is so. Now comes GNP. It is the GDP of a country added within its income from abroad. Okay, so added with its income from abroad. Now income from abroad are private remittances, then internal or external loans and external grants. Now when we write it in mathematical terms, GNP is equals to, GNP here stands for gross national product. So it is equal to GDP plus income from abroad. Now here income from abroad, as you can see, I have put one negative sign. So it is due to heavy outflows on account of trade deficits and interest payments on foreign loans. So foreign loans have got so many interest payments to be done, and then trade deficits. So trade deficits are of course there. We are not the country, you can say like China we can take. We are not importing as much as we are not exporting as much as we are importing. So yes, trade deficit occurs when we export less and import more. Now next is NNP. So NNP stands for net national product. Now it is the GNP after deducting the loss due to depreciation. So depreciation, I already told you, it is wear and tear. So in mathematical terms, NNP equals to GNP, that is gross national product minus depreciation. Now we can write next that NNP equals to GDP plus income from abroad minus depreciation. Okay, so I had told you about this formula in previous slide, and then next is NNP upon, that is divided by total population, gives per capita income. So per capita income means income per head per year. So this is it. I hope you all must have understood these terms, and thank you so much for watching. Do like, comment and share. Thank you once again.